I'm Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're going to talk about the Dristorm Dehumidifier booster. Now, this unit here is a 12 by 12 by 6 inch diameter box with a handle, has a 1500 watt heater in it, and we have found that if you review the psychrometric chart, if you take the air that comes out of a dehumidifier, especially like a low grain dehumidifier, typically the relative humidity that comes out of those dehumidifiers is about 16% relative humidity. If we take that same air and we feed it into the unit and then we heat the temperature up, we're going to be able to lower the humidity. And so we're going to run a little test here. Just wanted to show you, we put a little hygrometer on here on the front, and right now it's 72.3 degrees and 52% relative humidity. So the second video, what we'll do is we'll just hook up a dehumidifier and run it again. We'll leave this off and see how low we get to relative humidity just coming out of the dehumidifier. And then on our third video, we'll actually turn on the booster and then come back and check the hygrometer again to see how it's improved. Just some other notes, this does have some heavy-duty rubber feet on the bottom. It's ductable on both sides, and then it's got a GFCI outlet here with the on-off switch. You can use the handle as a cord wrap. Has a built-in glow plug that lights up when you plug it in. Has finger guard protection on it, weighs 15.6 pounds. Does have 4 different levels of auto shutoff. It's got a built-in 15 amp breaker. It has 2 separate 200-degree thermostats in here, so either one of them can turn it off, as well as it's got the GFCI protection. So anyway, we'll have you come back in just a few minutes after we set up the dehumidifier.